Hi guys, today I'd like to show you the vehicle that I got from Arizona desert. So this is a 1970 Opel GT. The vehicle production month is January 1970. As you can see from the video and the pictures that I'm going to post with the video, this is a nice Arizona vehicle with a nice patina and surface rust. Okay, so I'm gonna make complete turn so you can see the vehicle. So the vehicle was parked back in 1982. Here, let me show you the registration plate. This vehicle hasn't been driven from 1982. You can take a look at the last registration on the plate. So this is about 39-40 years. I don't know the reason why the vehicle was parked. I guess it's just too hot here in Arizona desert for driving vehicle like this summertime, or whatever the reason is. Okay, so let me tell you where I got the vehicle. The vehicle is coming from Sierra Vista. This is a little town close to the Mexico and it's south of Tucson. I will have a Google map showing where exactly is Sierra Vista and where is Phoenix. So the vehicle today is located in Phoenix, Arizona, in my backyard. I was able to rescue this vehicle from the Arizona desert about 2 weeks ago. The vehicle came to me with title issued in 1974. If I'm not mistaken, I'll have a copy in this video with the title showing the 1974 transfer. So following all the information I have, I guess someone purchased the vehicle brand new, drove it for a while. In 1974, the vehicle was sold to the second owner. So I'm buying the vehicle from the second owner. You can count the years, guys, about 50 years later, almost 50 years later. Here you can see the condition of the car. It has surface rust, or what we call here in Arizona, this is a patina, rust patina. Okay, I'm gonna get closer. You're gonna see the roof. It's a solid roof, solid body. Here you can see the quarter panel. You can see, guys, the paint is just fading and peeling. Take a look. You can see the wheel well, it's solid. See the door, no major accidents, no repaints, all original blue metallic paint sprayed back in 1970s from the German Opel factory. Okay. Yeah, take a look, guys. Solid metal. Take a look at this rubber, it's baked. Arizona summer, it's extremely hot. We can get easy to 120 degree. This is around probably 45 Celsius, and nothing can survive this extreme heat. Look at the paint. Yeah, look at the paint. Yeah, this is the clean metal, and this is the surface rust on top. So as you can see from the pictures in the video, there is no accidents on this vehicle, except here, let me show you something. This over here, little push over here, and this nothing major. Solid body. Let me open the door so you can see the floor. Inside, here's the door. Let me open the other door. Okay, here you can see the dashboard. It's baked. Look at this. It's completely baked. 59,000 original miles. All gauges are here. Original radio is here. You can see the pedals. Original stick shift. Here you can see the floor. And inside, spare tire is missing. So this is the original white interior with a blue metallic paint. Here you can see the floor on the other side. Here's the door. Floor. Okay. Yeah, take a look, guys. The paint is gone. It's baked. It's just peeling. And all of this is surface rust. Nothing major. Around. Okay, there's the door. Look at the door. Okay. Original fenders, original body parts, as you know. This is the factory welding over here. There is another factory welding over here. Okay, same thing here. Look at this. Everything just peeling off. And underneath, it's a solid body. Yeah, same thing. Yeah, take a look. This is the original sticker with the VIN number. Look at this. Okay. No dents on the original rear bumpers. By the way, the exhaust is missing here. The front bumper has some damages, as you can see here. And I guess it will need a new bumper. Or you can repair this one. The engine is on original 59,000 miles. There you go. Let me open the hood so I can show you the engine. Here you can take a look at the engine. Original Solex. What we have missing here is just the lid for the air filter. Radiator is here. Complete engine. Engine start when I pour some gas to the carburetor, straight to the intake. Engine start right away. Take a look. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to post this vehicle for sale. This vehicle, it's not for everyone. This is a vehicle for Opel GT enthusiasts who wants to buy original Opel GT with 59,000 miles. Parked back in the time in 1982 here in Arizona desert. This is a very rare opportunity. You can find a vehicle in this condition every day. With all my experience for the last 15 years, this is the first Opel GT that I get here in Arizona desert in this condition. Take a look, guys. I will have a pictures and video showing underneath the vehicle so you can see the floors and everything else underneath the car. To approve this is a surface rust, I did couple of samples, so you can see, guys. I just use a sandpaper. I grind this one. Here is from the floor. What is it? It's right over here. Let me see. Okay, I think it's in the video right now. I'll take some pictures also and I'll post them so you can see closely. Here, this is another sample. Just quick sanding. Here, I took this one too. You can see it. It's clearing out very nice. Here is another one. Here you can see. and this is just with a little sandpaper for a few minutes. Here, this is the floor underneath. The vehicle is 99% complete. The only parts that are missing are the spare tire and the lid from the air filter. I have the seats, I have the jack, I have the original tools. So this is the wheels from the 1970 Opel GT that I rescued from the desert. You can take a look, there is no rust inside the wheel. Even they're sitting outside for a long time, there is no rust. See, take a look, this just clean. So I'm going to install brand new tires, and the vehicle is going to be with brand new tires. Here you can see the tire. Okay, you can take a look at the tire, guys. Brand new, 4 of them. As you can see, I have only 2 lugs per wheel. I don't have 4 for each wheel, so this one, 2. And this one also. And this is the last one. Okay, as you can see, this is the original seats in the 1970 Opel GT, the blue one with the white interior. So this is the driver's seat. You can see the handle here. Here, take a look. The foam is gone, the seat cover is gone. The frame, the rear frame is still over here. Here on this side is also there. This seat is pretty much the same condition. Here you can take a look. White seat. And the frame is still there underneath, you can see. Those seats, they will need new foam, and of course upholstery. They need to be restored. But I have them. So they go with the vehicle, and also I have the jack included in this cell. I will have some pictures showing my other Opel GTs that I restored, so you can see how much bondo they have, and you can compare them to this vehicle. Here guys, you can see this is my new registration for this vehicle, and this is the title. So I'm going to post pictures with the VIN number from the title and from the registration. And here, this is the small VIN number that's supposed to be over here on the dashboard, but since fall down, I will keep it with the title, and the new owner is gonna get this one too. Okay, there you go. If you have any questions, if you need detailed pictures or something, you can guys email me. I'm sure you know how to contact me.